Hello guys, today is about local dish. We call it Emieki, and come, let's cook it. You will use ripe plantain, so I used like 4 ripe plantain and I added onion, so I will blend together. I added just a slime of water. I will blend it together until it is properly smooth. Guys, this recipe is a go. We used to eat it when I was very young, so I decided to prepare it. So once it is properly smooth, I will now open it and add the rest ingredients. So this recipe, guys, some people don't add beans, but when we were young then we buy it and there is beans inside. So I add many of my onion, salt, crayfish, pepper. You don't add seasoning cube, oil. So the next thing you'll be adding is flour, amala flour. You can add yam flour or plantain flour. Me, I'm using plantain flour. So you just mix and mix properly until it is without lumps. This dish, guys, is a traditional dish. It's a local dish. It's so good and nice. Some people prepare it without beans, while some people prepare it with beans. So today I'm making it with beans. So I tasted all the ingredients were inside, so I added just a bit of oil. So you can see I'm adding my pre-cooked beans. Your beans must be pre-cooked. So I'll add beans and I will give it a good mix. All my returnees, thank you for returning. I see the like, the comments, the share. God bless you. If you are new to the channel, follow for more amazing videos. So the next thing, you add warm water to loosen the thickness. If you are new, follow me on this channel, subscribe on your notification bell so that anytime we upload you'll be notified. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So now I'm going to be using my leafy. So I have some leafy left, so I decided to make you. If you must make this dish, guys, you must have this leafy to wrap it. So I will wrap and wrap until I'm done with the wrapping. Follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Lady B Varieties is the name. Feel free to also check my channel out. I have cooking recipe, earth recipe, cutting of vegetables, different kind of videos, guys. Thank you for being here. Subscribe for more amazing videos. So guys, I'll continue to wrap until I am done with the wrapping. So as you can see, I'm almost done, and as we are here, I preheat my water. My water is already boiling on the pot, and here I am going to just wrap the last one and we are done wrapping. So once the wrapping is done, I will transfer it to my water, my boiling water. As you can see, here is the pot. I'll just add everything inside. I'm using a pressure pot, so I'll cook it for like 30-35 minutes. So as you can see, covered, and after 35 minutes I came to check. So here is it. I'll bring it out of the pot, nicely cooked, ready. Look at that. What is this dish? It's called Emieki. What do you call it, guys? Let me know. Bye.